Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your profile picture on Netflix. To change your profile picture on Netflix, first of all open up a web browser and then in the URL box type in netflix.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Netflix account by entering your login credentials. After you are signed in, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to your profile avatar and click on Manage Profile. From Manage Profiles, select one of your profile that you want to change the avatar on and click on this little pencil icon. Now, you will be able to see your name and other information on this page. Click the pencil icon right underneath your avatar and then from the list of profile pictures, select the profile picture for yourself. Choose a picture from different categories out there. After you find one of the profile picture to be suitable for you, simply click on it. I'm just gonna select this profile picture over here. Now click on Let's Do It and you will be able to change to a different profile picture. Scroll all the way down and save the changes by clicking on Save and wait for a few seconds. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your profile picture for the chosen profile. So that's how you easily change profile picture on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.